This car barely fits in the garage compared to the Supra. Should be good. You might need to come back a little bit. Yeah, keep going back. All right, that's good. Perfect. So these are the BMS Burger Motorsports intakes that we are doing on the G80. Now, I don't know if there are any install videos actually on this car with these intakes yet, but if you guys want the complete install, I'm gonna link James's channel down below. Make sure you go check out his video. That's gonna be like a step-by-step tutorial on how to install them. But today in my video, we're just gonna get like a before and after and some sound clips to kind of show you what it's all about. Proud of that? Gonna get some sound clips here of these stock intakes so you guys can get before and after. Burger Motorsports, supplied by Keys Motorsports. Blue cone, gloss black piping. Looks nice. James got the intakes in. Look at how good these look. Gloss black, blue finished cones. Looks super nice. Really easy install. Like I said, if you guys want to see it step by step, check out his video. I'm gonna have a link down below. But we're gonna go ahead and fire it up before we throw the strut braces in and all that stuff and give you guys a couple of sound clips so you can hear the difference. That sounds crazy. That sounds insane. That sounds so good. Holy crap, man. It's so loud. Sick. Yeah, so there you guys go. We're gonna throw the rest of the stuff on. All we have is the engine cover and then the strut braces, but that's how it sounds. It sounds insane. I think, James, you're actually doing dyno too, right?
Yes.
So he's actually going, he has baseline numbers for this, and he's going back when we get back from Greenville and stuff next week. I think he's going to the dyno to see if he's made any improvements with it. But install, what would you rate the install?
I would say easy, man. If you got any basic mechanical skills, you can do it.
Yeah.
I'd probably say 2.
2. Super simple, yeah. I mean, the hardest part is probably getting those little C clips to seat in there. But other than that, I mean, it's like really simple on this car. So pretty much anyone can do it if you guys got basic tools.
I would say it's easier on this car than it was on the S55.
Yeah, super nice finish. Fitment is really good because you have like some vacuum lines and stuff that are going in here, and it seats perfectly under here. It's got a nice mounting bracket right here, so it's nice and sturdy. And then it maintains the factory lower portion of the air boxes, so you're literally just popping on the cones. And then you have the little C-clips are back there that can be a little bit of a pain. You just gotta make sure that you get them seated real nice. You don't want those popping off. But other than that, super easy. Looks amazing, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the engine cover and stuff on. All right, everything is back together. Engine cover's on, strut braces on, intakes in. Look at how good this looks, man. So clean. Gloss black with the blue, and the blue matches the headlights, the emblem. It's a good setup. Really nice. So we'll have this link down below for you guys if you're interested in buying it for the G80. Make sure you check out James's video of the full install. BMS cold air intake on the S58 G80 M3, provided by Keys Motorsports. We're gonna have a link down below, and also make sure you go check out my buddy James's channel with his video on the install. Oh, he's popping the hood. Oh, damn. It looks really good in the engine bay with the blue and everything. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Love y'all. See you in the next one.